Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, September the 24th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Questions for me? Use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. I open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. Get live on the mic about 9:05. I go to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, 3 o'clock on Fridays. This is a subscription link. You will see in this email there is a promo code for 15% off, instant 15% off, either on a standard monthly or a premium monthly, or on a yearly, either standard or premium. All right, well, not what I would call the most stellar of days for me. I had a couple of early trades in NBEV and AMRN that did not work out. Took very quick losses on them, so wasn't the end of the world for sure. But I didn't see anything that really ripped for me. Now look, there were. I mean, many in the trading room took advantage of this SAEX, which did incredible. I suppose argument to be made that there was an entry right here. I did not take this one. Very whippy, but nonetheless, a lot of people in the room, some of the people in the room were able to get it around here. I didn't see it there. By the time I saw it, it was just kept moving up and up and up, and I just didn't want to chase it, of course. But an unbelievable move, again, for another low float situation. So what did I do? NVCM, sorry. Wrong. I keep getting the wrong symbol here. I'll get it. And CMI, sorry, National Media or Cinema Media. So nothing unbelievable, but what I'm liking about this is that I resurrected. This used to be one of my favorite, if not my absolute ultimate favorite, go-to window that I used to get lots and lots of great ideas from. Options play magic, and of course I will share it with you if you ask me for it. I can always you can just ask me for it. Again, just the info at trade-ideas.com. Just shoot me an email and I'll send it off to you. I have to thank somebody in the room. I think it was on Thursday who asked me for it again, and I hadn't used it for quite a while, and so I resurrected it on Thursday, and I took a look at it on Friday, and it started giving me some really nice alerts. So this, as I say, this used to be my absolute go-to window. But a lot of times, these things that go in cycles. But I have it up and running now. I took NCMI from it. I think the alert was, where was the alert? The first alert. Let me see where it was. Well, as you know, I can't seem to find it. But anyway, I think when it got over 10, I got very interested in it, and I looked at the daily chart. When I looked at the daily, I didn't see any resistance whatsoever. So I took this trade at 1040. Started to move pretty nicely, but I got out most of it in this area here. So I mean, it wasn't fantastic, but I'm liking. There were some other ones that I did not take because again, remember, I'm sort of monitoring this window to see what sort of alerts we are getting, and but I definitely, this one certainly for a quick pop turned out to be okay. Another one that showed up was CNAT. This turned out a lot better in terms of on a percentage move. And I got into CNAT at 642. I mean, I know all these look late, but remember, they're not triggering until all my filters are met. And I think, so I got into this one right here. And it got as high as 674. So on a percentage basis, that was excellent. My average out was about 665, 663 or so. Got out right about here, just before that big, big candle. Let me just put the markup right there. And I only took, there were some Holly alerts. I missed some, but I did take this one, CBIO. Nothing fantastic yet. I'm in here at 1012. It's at 1024. I looked at it. I liked it looked left on the daily. Thought it could have some room. So that is why I took this one. But there were some other ones that were quite nice. Probably on some of the other, let's see if I can find one here. Yeah, on a DTLA, there was a short there, 27.75, got all the way down to basically $1. but I missed that one. But the CBio looks reasonable, so I'm going to hang on to that one for a while, see what happens. All right, as I say, not tremendous amount of action for me anyway. I mean, obviously the people who took this SEAX had a fantastic day. There are around 80 companies releasing earnings this week. Last week there were around 40, so we're starting to gain a little bit more in that regard. By the middle of this month, I think around October 20th or so, we should be in full swing. I believe Alcoa AA releases, not sure if it's around October 17th or 18th, and that kind of kicks off earnings season, and then we should start to see a lot more earnings plays and a lot more activity overall. So let me just close this down. And if you do want that options plays, all you have to do is ask me for it, and I'll send it off to you. Just use this email address. This is a link to get into the free room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member. We don't ask for a credit card or anything. Basically, all you have to do is create a password one time, and then I'll get you into the room. I'll open the room tomorrow around 9 o'clock Eastern Time. So I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.